नमस्कार दोस्तों, हमारे चैनल बी ब्लॉग में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ा रहे हैं प्रैक्टिस सेट फिर सामान्य अध्ययन विच इज द मोस्ट पॉपुलर हाइम ऑफ ऋग्वेदा। ए गायत्री बी अनुष्टुप सी त्रिटुप सी डी जगति। ए गायत्री which is most important significant feature of Indus Valley civilization. A building made up of bricks. B first real arc. C worship place. D art and architecture. A in the context to religious tradition of India, to which Asthanak Vasi sect is associated. A Buddhism, B Jainism, C Vaishnavism, D Saivism, B Jainism. Which district was known as Siraj Hind during the Mughal era? A Agra, B Prayagraj, C Lucknow, D Jaunpur. Who was the Governor General of India during the revolt of 1857? Lord Dalhousie, Lord Minto, Lord Canning, Lord Whiting. Which are the following were recommendation of Hunter Commission? A women's education, new regulation for the organization system, gradual withdrawal of state from higher education, introduction of civic education at college and university level. A. Who among the following drafted the resolution on fundamental rights for Karachi session of Congress in 1931? A. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar, B. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, B. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Who presided the last session of Indian National Congress in 1947? A. J. V. Kripalani, B. Rajendra Prasad, C. Abul Kalam Azad, D. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Rajendra Prasad. Which of the following is not related to plate tectonic theory? A. Continental flow, B. Moving of pole, C. Metamorphosis, fault, D. Sea floor spreading, moving of pole. Which one of the following the river that originated in India is Satluj, B. Ravi, C. Chenab, Satluj. Where are more chances of desertification on Earth? Near 0 degree, near 23 degree latitude, near 50 degree latitude, near 70 degree latitude, near 23 degree. Where are Arakan and Pegu located? A. Myanmar, B. Nepal, C. Bhutan, D. China. Myanmar. The system of judicial review exists in A. India only, B. UK only, USA and D. India and USA both. India and USA both. Boundaries of state in India can be changed under the process given in Article 368, the process given in Article 130, process mentioned in Article 70, process given in Article 30. D. Option 5. President rule can be imposed for maximum period of 1 year, 2 years, 6 months, 3 years, 3 years. The right to freedom under Article 19 of the Constitution of India may be suspended by the President of India under Article 360, under Article 356, under Article 352 at any time he so desires. Under Article 352. National Panchayati Raj Day in India is celebrated on A. 26 January, B. 2 October, C. 21 April, D. 24 April. 24 April. The distribution of income is measured by Phillips curve, Lorenz curve, Marshall curve, Laffer curve, Lorenz curve. This financial instrument through which India companies can raise money from foreign market in rupees is called A. RBI board, B. Gold bond, C. Masala bond, D. Overseas bond. Masala. Closed economy is an economy where money supply is completely controlled. There is a deficit financing. There is export only. There is neither export nor import. There is neither export nor import. D. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? A. Hydrometer, B. Barometer, C. Manometer, D. Hygrometer. Barometer. B. Which of the following is also known as laughing gas? Nitrous oxide, nitric oxide, nitrous oxide, nitrogen pentoxide, nitrogen. B. Nitrous oxide. Very temperature controlling center located in human body? A. Pituitary, B. Cerebellum, C. Hypothalamus, D. Lungs. C. Hypothalamus. Urea is produced in human spleen, liver, kidney, gallbladder. Liver. The measuring unit of ecological footprint is A. Global hectare, B. Nanometer, C. Opus cubic foot, D. Cubic ton. Global hectare. Average of 10 numbers is 6. If each number is multiplied by 12, then the average of new number set of numbers will be A. 20, B. 28, C. 36, D. 72. D. 72. A mobile was sold by two mobile sellers at a total gain of 45% if the first seller sold it at a gain of 25%. Then how much gain percentage did the second seller achieve? A 20%, B 16%, C 22%, D 14%, B 16%. A money amounts to are 4200 in 3 years and are amount at 6000 in 6 years at simplicity. The rate of interest is A 20%, C 12 से 1/2%, C 30%, D for 25%. How many minutes will Preeti take to cover a distance of 500 meters if she runs at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour? A 1 minute, B 2 minutes, C 5 minutes, D 6 minutes, A 1 minute. International Human Rights Organization Amnesty International has recently stopped its functioning in which country? A China, B Pakistan, C India, D Nepal, C Nepal and India. Who are the recently named as the new president of Film and Television Institute of India? A Anupam Kher, B Paresh Rao, C Prasoon Jyoti, D Shekhar Kapoor. Recently, the Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research developed the world's largest solar tree and established it at Mumbai, B Chennai, C Durgapur, D Hyderabad, Durgapur. How many scientists were selected for the 2020 Nobel Prize in 2020 Nobel Prizes in Physics? A1, B3, C4, D0, C3. At per environmental performance index 2020, which country got first place? A Switzerland, B Luxembourg, C Britain, डेनमार्क, डी ब्रिटेन, सी डेनमार्क. आला एक लोकप्रिय संगीत किस क्षेत्र का है? रुहेलखंड, बुंदेलखंड, पूर्वांचल, पश्चिमी उत्तर प्रदेश. बुंदेलखंड. निम्न में से किस नदी का जलग्रहण क्षेत्र सर्वाधिक होता है? महानंदा, बी सोन, सी रामगंगा, डी गंडक. सोन. जैसे राजा किसी राज्य के लिए वैसे ही राष्ट्रपति किसके लिए? सीनेट के लिए, प्रजातंत्र के लिए, गणराज्य के लिए, संसद के लिए. गणराज्य के लिए. फाइंड आउट द मिसिंग नंबर फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग सीरीज. 3 5 5 19 7 41 9 61 71 79 69 71. ए डी की माँ है तथा बी की बहन है. सी बी की पुत्री है जिसका विवाह एफ के साथ हुआ है. जी ए का पति है. जी डी का क्या लगता है? ए पति, पुत्र, पिता, चाचा, पिता. एक पुरुष ने एक महिला का परिचय कराते हुए कहा, इसकी माँ मेरी सास की इकलौती पुत्री. यह पुरुष इस महिला को क्या लगती है? एक पुत्र, बी भाई, सी पति, डी पिता. What will be the change in the Gibbs energy, free energy during isothermal expansion of 1 mole of the ideal gas from a pressure of 10 atm to a pressure of 1 atm at a temperature 25 degrees Celsius? Minus 30 64 calories, B 10 calories, C 20 80 calories, D 298 calories. A minus 30 64 calories. For neon gas, the heat capacity at constant volume is close to A 3 calorie, B 2 calorie, C 4 calorie, D 8 calorie. 8 calorie. No, 3 calorie. The molar internal energy of an ideal gaseous system is proportional to only T power 0 C, T power 0 A, pressure of the gas, volume of the gas, pressure of the gas. The Troughton relationship between heat of vaporization and freezing point, relationship between heat sublimation and freezing point, relationship between heat of fusion and boiling point, relationship between heat of vaporization and boiling point, D heat of vaporization and boiling point. Consider the reaction. A 4 moles of A react with 4 moles of B and 2 moles of C are termed at equilibrium. The equilibrium constant is root 2 1 2 4 1. For N2 3s to 2 N3 heat, Kp is equal to Kc RT, Kp is equal to Kc RT power square, Kp is equal to Kc RT into minus inverse, Kp is equal to Kc RT inverse, Kp is equal to Kc RT power minus 2 है correct answer. At any given temperature, the activation energy of two reactive components is equal when the specific heat constant of both the reactions are same. The thermal coefficient of specific rate constant of both the reactions are same. Delta H of both the reactions are equal but not zero. Delta H of both the reactions are 0. A. Which of the following can both act as a Bronsted acid and Bronsted base? A NO2CO3 OH minus, CHCO3 NH4 CO3 minus. Which is the most basic species among the following? A NH benzene NH2 benzene NH2 cyclo N NH. B. Which one of the following will not establish by resonance? CH3 NO2 CH3 CN CH T2H5 का whole twice OC6H6 C2H5 का whole twice. Consider the following assertion. A carboxylic acid does not give the test for a carbonyl region. The carbonyl carbon of the carboxylic acid is electron deficient in city less susceptible to and nucleophile. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Both A and R, 2 and R is the correct program. Both A and R are true. R is not correct program. A is true. R is false, but R is false. A is false, but R is true. A nucleophile reagent is a Lewis acid, Lewis base, positive species, none of the B. Lewis base. Among the following, the most stable carbocation is A, B, C, D, B. Which compound is formed CH3OH react with CH3 MgBr? A acetone, B alcohol, C methane, D methane. Which one of the following compounds gives only SN2 reaction? A C6H5, CH2Cl, C CH3, CH3, CH3Cl, CH3O cyclobenzene, benzene, CH2Cl, CH3COO, CH2Cl, D. CH3COO, CH2Cl. Hydroform test is not given by A. Ethanol, methanol, dimethyl methanol. Conversion of an aldoxide into an aldopentose is given by done by Killer Fisker synthesis, B. Amadori reaction, C. Rough degradation, D. Epimerization, C. Rough degradation. Which are the following sweetest sugar? Glucose, fructose, sucrose, maltose, fructose. When glycine is heated, it forms diketopiperazine, B. Acrylic acid, C. Butyric acid, D. Butyrolactam. A diketopiperazine. Then hydrogen test is used for identifying alcohol, aldehydes, amino acids, amino acid. Which are the following is not an example of addition polymer? Pterylene, polypropylene, polyethylene, polyester, and ethylene. Which is the IPSC name for the compound C double bond CH, CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3. E2 methyl pentene, E3 methyl 2 pentene, Z2 methyl 3 pentene, Z3 methyl 2 pentene, E3 methyl 2 pentene. Which one of the following compounds is optically active? A. N-propanol, B. N-butanol, C. 2-chlorobutane, D. 4-hydroxyheptane, C. 2-chlorobutane. Which one of the following pairs can be distinguished by UV? CH3 CH2OH and CH3O CH3 CH3 CH2 CHO CH3 CO CH3 naphthalene benzene CH3 CH2 COO CH3 COO CH3 C. Neutrino are discovered by A. M. Both and B. H. Baker, B. C. Anderson, D. C. W. Pauli, D. None of them. The orbital L barabar 2 can accommodate A 5 electron, B 3 electron, C 6 electron, D 10 electron. The electronic configuration which satisfies the Hund rule is 1s2 2s2 2px 2py and 2pz1 1s2 2s2 2px1 2py1 2pz0 1s2 2s2 2px1 2py1 2pz0 1s2 2s2 2px0 2py2 2pz1 1. Among the Li, Na, K and Rb, the metal which do not form peroxide and superoxide respectively are lithium and potassium, lithium and sodium, sodium and potassium, potassium and rubidium, lithium and sodium. The resemblance of lithium with magnesium is due to the following reason: both have diagonal relation, both are non-reactive, both are bigger size, none of the diagonal relation. Consider the following statement, select the correct answer from the given quotes given below. The reaction, the electronegativity of chlorine is more than the bromine. The first ionization of oxygen is greater than of nitrogen. The electron affinity of chlorine is much more than that of fluorine. A and C are correct, but B is wrong. Yes, polar elements have high electronegativity and low electropositive character. Low electronegativity and high electropositive character. Low electronegativity and low electropositive character. High electronegativity and high electropositive character. B. Which are the following is correctly met? Hydrogen bonding H2SC 3 center bond, B2S6 pi bond, GH4, D coordinate bond, BF3, B 3 center bond, B2S6. Which one is the least basic oxide amongst BeO, MgO, CaO and BeO? BeO, MgO, CaO, BeO. Which one is the least basic oxide among the following? A. Li2O, B. Ni, Na2O, C. BeO, D. MgO, BeO. A three-centered bond is formed in diborane, cyclopropane, silicon, and lithium diborane. In ClCl3 and CCl4, the valency of carbon are directed towards the corners of a tetrahedron prism hexagon cube. Tetrahedron is shape of SF6 molecule is trigonal, square, pyramidal, tetrahedral, octahedral, octahedral. Which of the following have identical bond order? Cn minus O2 minus NO plus Cn plus. First and third. Color of Ni2 plus is blue, green, pink, yellow, green. Color of COCl3.6 NH3 is yellow, red, green, blue, red, yellow. In the sp2 hybridization, the molecule will have the geometry A square planar, B tetrahedral, C trigonal, D biprime square planar. Number of heme units in myoglobin is 24131. Which are the following complexes involved in the transfer of electron during the process of photosynthesis? A. Hemocyanin, B. Plastocyanin, C. Vitamin B6, D. Hemoglobin B. Plastocyanin. The oxidation state of Cr in K2 Cr2O7 is +3 +5 +6 +10 +6. The oxidation state of Mn in KMnO4 and K2 MnO4 respectively 17665 756.6.47 7.6. Which one of the following substance has both oxidizing and reducing property? A. KiO3, B. H2S, C. H2SO5, D. H2O2 H2O2. Iron articles rust because of the formation of a ferrous chloride, a mixture of ferrous and ferric hydroxide, sodium carbonate, ferric chloride. B. Mixture of ferrous and ferric hydroxide. Ammonia gas can be tested by Fenton reagent, B. Bayer reagent, C. Karl-Fischer reagent, D. Nessler reagent. D. Nessler reagent. Faraday constant is defined as the follows: the quantum of that current which deposits a 1 gram equivalent, the quantum of current which is present on the 1 mole of the electron. This is a ratio of equivalent weight and electrochemical equivalent. D. All of the match list first and select the correct answer using the code given below the list. The age of an ancient sample of wood is estimated using the radioisotope of 8018 6 C C 613 8614 27 CO16 C A 8614. The emission of 1 alpha and 2 beta particle from a radioactive element with result to an isotope of parent element and isobar of parent element, no change in parent element, and isotope of parent element. D. In nuclear fission reaction, X is A B56 barium 447 krypton 36 92 42 MO 97 50 SN 120. C. Consider the following statement: the coefficient of viscosity for liquid falls with rising temperature. The viscosity of liquids increases with increasing pressure. Velocity is an additive and constitutive property. First and the second are correct. First and the third are correct. Two and the third are correct. First, second, third are correct. First, second, third are correct. Solution with same osmotic pressure is called hypotonic, hypertonic, normal, isotonic. The stabilization of the dispersed phase in a lyophilic solid is due to liking for the dispersion medium, the surface tension of the dispersion medium, the formation of an electrical double, the viscosity of the dispersion medium. See the formation of electrical double. When a metal dips in a solution consisting of an anion, the combination works as a positive electrode due to A. More electrolytic tension, B. More osmotic pressure, C. More attraction between a positively charged ion, D. None of the B. For a reaction, the following kinetic energy are given. The overall rate of reaction is 3 to 1.5 2.53. For the reaction A is 10 to B plus C, when the concentration of A is double, the rate becomes 8 times. The order of reaction is 1A 4, B 3, C 2, 1, D 1 3. For the given reaction of first order, it takes 20 minutes for the concentration to drop from 1 m to 0.6 m. The time required for concentration to drop from 0.6 m to 36 will be A. More than 20 units, less than 20 units, equal to 20 units, infinity equal to 20 units. Half life period of first order reaction is 100 seconds. The rate constant of reaction is A 6.9 10 to the power minus 4, second number 6.93 into 10 power minus 3, second number 0.9693 into 10 power minus 4, second 69.3, second number B 6.9 into 10 power minus 3, second number. In the presence of catalyst, EA lowered by 2 calories at 27. Hence the rate will at 20 times, 14 times, 28 times, 2 times, 28 times. In the Gibbs Helmholtz resistance, d delta G upon T upon delta T is equal to minus delta H upon T square, delta H upon T square minus delta E upon T minus delta H upon T minus delta H upon T square. In each of the following changes, the entropy increases: ice, water, carbon solid, carbon gas, H2O gas, H2O solid, H2O liquid, H2O gas. 1, 1 and 2 only, 1, 2 and 4, 3, 1, 2 and 4. pKa value of 4 acid A, B, C, D, C and D at 25 degrees Celsius are 3, 4, 5 and 6 respectively. Which one is the strongest acid? A, B, C, D. A. Ostrowal dilution formula for KCl molecule: K is equal to alpha square C upon 1 minus alpha. K is equal to alpha square 1 minus alpha C. K is equal to alpha square 1 minus alpha. None of the A and B, C. A. The solubility product of Ag2CrO4 in water at 298 Kelvin is 3.2 into 10 power minus 11. The concentration of CrO4 2 minus ions its saturated solution will be: A 2 into 10 power minus 4 m, 5.7 into 10 power minus 5 m, 5.7 into 10 power minus 6 m, 3.2 into 10 power minus 11 m. A 2 into 10 power minus 4 m. The pH of buffer solution containing a weak base and its salt can be related to pKb. pH equal to pKb minus log salt upon base. pH equal to half Kb minus half log salt upon base. pH equal to 14 minus pKb minus log salt upon base. pH equal to pOH minus pKb plus log salt upon base. pH equal to 14 minus pKb minus log base upon and log salt upon base. Most ammonia gas can be derived over concentrated sulfuric acid, phosphorus pentoxide, quicklime, anhydrous calcium chloride, quicklime. Another name of no bond resonance is inductive effect, mesomeric effect, steric effect, hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation. Whether the following is most static in nature: benzene COOH-CH3, benzene COOH-CH3, benzene COOH-Cl, benzene COOH-NO2, NO2. The strongest it is among the following is CH3, COOH, CBr3, COOH, CCl3, COOH, CH3, COOH, CH3, COOH. And in the given phenol, they are increasing order of stability. D, A, B is greater than C is greater than D is equal to B, D, C, B, A, B, C, D, D, B, A, C, D, C, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A. Reactions are not involving carbon ion is aldol condensation, B Claisen condensation, D C dehydration of alcohol, D Perkin dehydration of alcohol. Which are the following reagent is used to convert CHOH group to C double bond O group: PTH2, Br2, NO, Cu300, ZnCl2, Cu300. Which are the following alkene is most reactive toward addition of HBr, C6H5, CH double bond CH2, PCH3, C6H4, CH double bond CH2, PO669, C6H4, CH double bond CH2, CH3, CH double bond CH2, D. Product A obtained by reaction CH3, CH2, 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 COO, CH3, PH, MgBr in the presence of H2 gives 2-phenyl 2-hexanol, B 2-phenyl 3-hexanol, 3-phenyl 2-hexanol, D 3-phenyl 2-hexanol, A 2-phenyl 2-hexanol. On treatment, toluene with CH3Cl and AlCl3 at 350 Kelvin. The major product formed A oxo ortho xylene, B para xylene, M meta xylene, Q meta. On reaction of phenol with CaCl3 and NaOH at 70 degrees Celsius, the compound formed is benzaldehyde, orthochlorophenol, salicylaldehyde, dichlorobenzene, 6-acetyl. Trimeric reaction of phenol with chloroform and alkali is an example of nucleophilic substitution. B addition reaction, C elimination, D electrophilic substitution. धन्यवाद दोस्तों, चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा दोस्तों, धन्यवाद।